I've spent the last 20 years of my life dedicated to the salon industry. I've seen everything. Now, my passion lies with sharing great content with people all over the world. I'm going to create something very unique where I'm putting two of the best barbers up against each other in a one-on-one competition. This is Head to Head. What is going on, everybody? Steven, the Salon Guy here, and welcome to another episode of Head to Head, where I'm bringing the best local barbers together to battle in a one-on-one competition.
My name is Israel Rios, and I've been a barber for 15 years. I'm a barber at Davis Barbershop. I've been working at Davis Barbershop 5 years already.
My name is Nicole. I've been a barber for about 10 years now, and it's pretty much saved my life. Right now I'm working at a shop, True Cuts, here in New Brunswick. I'm very confident in myself, very confident in my work, and I don't doubt that the barber here is just as good or even better, but I know I'm gonna bring it.
All right, guys, so the barbers are ready to go, and I'm really excited about this episode because for the first time we have a female barber, and she does not play around. She's gonna bring her A game.
I feel great, and this is a side, it's a girl, so this is the stuff like we really want to see in the barber battles, no exceptions.
Yeah.
And I got a message for her. No matter you're a girl, I'm gonna treat you like one of us, so be ready.
All right, Nicole, I'm so amped up because it's the first time we're having a female barber on the show, and you are not playing around.
Not at all. No, I'm here to win. I'm here to show people that barber game isn't just for the men. The women got just as much skill as they do, and you're about to see that now.
What inspired me to be a barber was my dad. From when I was a little boy, I was in a barber shop, and that made me feel in love with the barber industry and all around the beauty industry too.
At first I was a little nervous, but this isn't the first competition that I've been in, and everything just comes natural. I don't even think about cutting hair anymore. It's just a matter of the excitement of being here now. My model is going to be getting a skin fade right now with a flat top on the top.
My accent, yeah, I know it's funny, kind of funny, but I bring that from my hometown, my bonito Puerto Rico. I love it. I'm very proud where I'm from. I'm very proud that I'm doing this today, representing Jersey City, but in my heart, I represent Puerto Rico.
So the barbers have just a few minutes left, and from what I've been seeing, two completely different looks, but they both are looking incredible. But again, it's up to you guys, the viewers, to vote for the winner.
I wasn't nervous at all, I'm not even gonna lie, I wasn't even shaking. It's something I do every single day, so if I can't handle the pressure here, I can't handle the pressure in the shop, but I think I did pretty good, so I'm good.
How I feel during the cut? Man, I feel confidence. What are you expecting for? I will tell you, I was the most prepared barber in the room.
Nicole, I gotta say, you did a phenomenal job.
Appreciate it,
but
thank
you think you're gonna take the win or what?
I think so, pretty confident. Two different looks, so it's gonna be pretty hard to judge. Considering that two different hair textures, two different types of fades. I mean, same type of fade, but looks different on different hair.
So do you think you're going to take the win, man?
Absolutely. I'm 100% positive. I bring something different to the table. I bring something creative, something ever seen before in a competition or any show. I think I got this. 100% positive, man.
All right, it is about that time for my favorite part of the competition, and the barbers don't know this is going to happen. But what I want them to do is to take a look at the other barber's work, and let's get the reaction.
I think it was a little extra. A lot of it, barber industry is about fades. I'm not worried about designs. It's who had the better fade, and I think mine was.
What I thought about her work, it was awesome, but it was the same thing like I regularly see in the barbershop, regular skin fade. So I was expecting more fire, a little more intense haircut, but that's what you bring. I respect it, but I throw the most fire.
I think y'all should vote for me. I've been in this game for 10 years, and this is the time I'm supposed to shine. I think my work is good, my confidence is good, my customer service is good too. Y'all will know if you come see me at True Cuts. But you know, vote for me, man. I want y'all to be able to see a lot of my work. I'm gonna start growing, and it's gonna be all thanks to y'all. Thank you.
Viewers, they watching this video right now, I tell you, you need to pick me because the reason I bring something different to the table, something y'all can learn and y'all can take and y'all can evolve. So pick me. I no doubt y'all gonna pick me. I'm 100% secure y'all gonna pick me. So here we go, Israel.
All right, guys, so the competition has come to an end, but now it's up to you guys to vote for the winner. So you can go to my community tab, and I'll have the names of each barber, and you can simply choose the winner. You'll have 3 days to choose the barber that you think should win this. So I had a great time today. They did an amazing job. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next episode of Head to Head.